everyone, welcome back. I'm making vanilla Kipferl or vanilla Crescent. It is an Austrian traditional cookie. I'm using flour, egg yolk, butter, almond powder, sugar and vanilla sugar. Mix the butter till it is soft. Add sugar and vanilla sugar. Add egg yolk. Now the flour and almond powder. Gently knead the flour. And wrap in a fold wrap and keep it cold for an hour. Remove a portion of the chilled dough. And knead till it's smooth. Take a small portion of the dough and form finger-like shapes about 5 to 6 centimeters long and about 1 centimeter thick. Gently bend the dough into a crescent shape. Transfer to a baking tray and bake for about 180 degrees centigrade for about 10 to 12 minutes or till the edges get lightly gold. In the meantime, combine 2 spoons of powdered sugar, 1 spoon of fine sugar and 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar. Coat the baked cookies in this sugar mixture while they are still hot and allow to cool. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye-bye.